Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simultaneous equations worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on solving simultaneous equations graphically. If you're not sure how to proceed with these examples here, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each of these examples. So what we're asked to do here is draw straight lines on a number plane for each pair of equations and solve them simultaneously by finding the point of intersection. So I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so, but of course you can pause it for as long as you like, and after that time I'll move on to the next slide, which contains the answers. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So this slide represents the answers to the previous slide. I'll leave you to check that, and in about a minute or so I'll move on to the last slide. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.